Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Daily DIY Do channel, where we do DIY do stuff on a daily. Today I got a real good one for you guys. Today we're going to be making the best green smoothie you have ever had. Now I wish I could take credit for this one, guys, but nah, this one isn't me. Guy at my work, Joey used to be Joey Bag of Donuts. Now he's Joey Bag of Bones, because he went from 225 down to 166. I'll put a couple before and after shots here on the screen. So this was a staple in his weight loss journey. It was a 6-month weight loss journey, and this smoothie really helped him to get to his goals. And you guys are gonna love this thing, trust me. Me and the wife's been drinking this for the last week. Get plenty of energy, you feel full. So stay tuned, guys. I'll show you guys how to make the same smoothie. Alrighty, guys, like I said, this is going to be the best smoothie you have probably ever tasted. The size that I'm making is going to yield 2 servings. I make these a couple times a day for me and my wife, so here we go. The first thing you want to add is 3 cups of unsweet vanilla silk almond milk. 3 cups. Alrighty, guys, so the next thing we're going to throw in this smoothie is 2 full scoops of this prebiotic fiber boost. This will have you use in the bathroom regularly, make you feel full throughout the day. It's actually a really good product. Alrighty, guys, so the next thing you want to add is 4 full tablespoons of Smucker's natural peanut butter. Make sure you stir this up really good, guys, because it's real liquidy when you get it from the store. Gotta make sure everything is incorporated. I also forgot to mention, guys, you want to load your blender in the same order that I'm loading mine. You don't want this peanut butter to be on top of the lettuce or anything. It gets stuck to the side. Trust me on this. And the next thing we're going to go in with, guys, is a whole cup of the Dannon Fresh and Fit vanilla Greek yogurt. This right here is going to make it real creamy, guys. And don't forget, I'm going to have a list of all the products that I use and the quantities down in the description. And the next thing we're going to go in with, guys, is a vanilla and a chocolate organic protein powder. Now, I've used a lot of protein powders. This is probably by far the best protein powder I've ever tasted in my shakes. I like to use 2 full scoops of each flavor, which is chocolate fudge and vanilla bean. These are the 2 flavors that I feel makes this shake taste the best. I've tried it with all chocolate and I've tried it with all vanilla. This is the way to go, guys. I'm gonna leave a little bit of information on this protein powder. So next you want to go in, guys, with 2 regular size bananas. I have 3 small bananas, so that's why I chose to use 3 instead of 2. You see how small these little things are. But if you have regular bananas, just put 2 full ones in and you'll be good to go. Alrighty, guys, so this is where the name green smoothie comes in play. Right here, you want to get yourself 2 big old handfuls of this baby spinach. Just pack it on in there. When we go to blend this thing up and you go to taste this smoothie, you won't even taste this spinach. Trust me on this. Hope you guys are still hanging in there with me. We're almost done. Let's throw in 1 whole cup of frozen blueberries. And this gives it a good flavor too, guys. And it's really good for you. And last but not least, my man Joey says you have to have 24 ice cubes. Not 23, not 22, 24 ice cubes. And this is what you got, guys. Let's go ahead and get this blender set up. We'll blend this thing up. I'll show you the pour. This thing is amazing, guys, I'm telling you. So guys, I'm blending mine up with a Vitamix. It does have a preset smoothie setting. I'm sure this smoothie works well in any blender, but I just put it on my smoothie setting, hit the go button. It goes through a couple speed rotations, and when it's done, she comes out real nice, cold and creamy, guys. It's actually kind of a treat, I'm telling you. Give this a shot, guys, and you'll love it. Well, guys and gals, if you made it this far into the video, I hope you got some value out of this. This really is a good smoothie. And like I said, my buddy, this was when he felt hungry or whatever, was his go-to during his weight loss journey, and I'm going to make it as part of mine as well. I mean, I could drink 3 of these things a day. I want to say they're about right at 500 calories a piece. I'll put everything in the description below so you can check it out, and I hope you guys try this, and thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your buddies. Have a good day.